These are sold out everywhere. We've been anticipating the Jordan 4 military blues for a while. As soon as we saw that they were going to be dropping, it was one of those pairs that I was personally gassed about. So the closer and closer shock drops started coming, early pairs started coming around, I was excited. But that wasn't the case for everybody else. So when all the mixed reviews started coming in, I started figuring out in my head that this wouldn't be one of those sneakers that was gonna resell for anything crazy. From the jump, I knew that the military blues weren't gonna resell for as much as the bread reimagines, simply because the black with a little bit of red is just way more wearable than these right here, and people already have mixed emotions when it comes to this pair. So today we're gonna go over the Jordan 4 military blues, which officially released today. There's been a lot of back and forth, a lot of love and hate when it comes to this sneaker, but I knew from the very beginning how it was gonna go for this sneaker release. If you guys do end up enjoying this video, make sure you leave a like on it down below. Get this one to over 150 likes for more content like this. Also subscribe to the channel. We're on road to 30,000 subscribers, and if you do end up joining the family, comment down below that you're a new sub so I could welcome y'all. But let's get into the Jordan 4 military blues. When I woke up this morning and went on the sneakers app to see what was gonna happen with this release, I realized one thing, family. These were not gonna sit on the sneakers app. They low-key came and went. I was trying to tell y'all to put the footwork in if you wanted this shoe, because I already know how releases like this go. People talk shit about them, but when release date comes, everybody and they moms gonna try to go for the sneaker. Fortunately enough, well, not even fortunately, I paid for an early pair because I make this content for y'all, so obviously I was good from the rip. Y'all already know today's drop wasn't the first release. We had the shock drop, which I took the L on. We had the exclusive access, which was how I got my double up for retail. Since I already had my double up secured, I wasn't even stressing this sneaker this morning. I was gooch. I was good to go, but I did try to help one of my homies out to get a pair. That shit didn't go too well, bro. These were selling out ASAP everywhere they got loaded up on. Let me know if you took a W on this pair this morning, or did you already secure a pair on any of the other releases. Biggest complaint on this sneaker is quality control or the color differences. Luckily, my pair don't have any quality control issues. Besides, they did have a widow's peak. I just trimmed that out with some scissors. I'm not even tripping. Something light, easy fix for me. This is apparently the closest we've gotten to the OG pair from '89, which is the main reason I'm not upset with this release at all. I love when Jordan Brand gives us the OG. This isn't bad. It's just a more wearable version of that 2012 version y'all want so bad. Definitely was a double up worthy sneaker for me, at least. Blue on the midsole is a little dark, but it's cool. Nike Air on the back looking sexy. The back tab is a little bit brighter than the midsole. Eyelets are brighter as well. These are sold out everywhere. Those rumors talking about there was gonna be a million pairs of these were straight cap, bro. These were definitely more limited than a million pairs. About a week prior to the release, we found out there was gonna be under 600,000 pairs. Seems a little more accurate. I would dare say the breads had more pairs than these. Maybe more people wanted these than the breads, which doesn't even make sense. I think these had more pairs. The breads also flew, just like the military blues. I feel like these came and they went, dropped on multiple sites, and every site that I went to go see if I could get them, it just wasn't happening. Let me know if y'all cooked up this morning or you secured a dub prior to today's release. I wasn't able to secure them on JD either. No emails, so I didn't get the exclusive access. Luckily enough for me, I'm straight. Resell for the Jordan 4 military blues is currently at around $250, $260. Isn't bad, bro. That's literally like $30 over retail, maybe $40, $50 after fees, because that's really where they get you. But if it's truly a sneaker you want, you could definitely get your hands on them. Is the point that I love about where we're at in the sneaker game. Nike kind of knows when it comes to these super hyped releases like the Jordan 4 military blues, or even the breads, so they'll make hella stock of them. They know we're gonna eat them up, especially if they do hella releases like they did with these. We saw exclusive access, shock drop, another exclusive access, multiple reserves to go pick them up. Like, bro, there was a good amount of drops when it came to these. That's why today's release on the sneakers app only had about 111,000. Isn't really as much as we were expecting, but at the same time is a lot of stock. Kind of does make sense because 110K there, 100K for the first shock drop, each exclusive access with about 40-50K. I would almost say these have about the same amount of stock we saw for the bread reimagines. Regardless, is this sneaker of the year for you? Are you putting the breads on top of the military blues at the end of the year? Let me know. We still got J Balvin's, Travis's. There's so much still to drop, but this is definitely top 5 of the year for me, and it's not even in question. I love this shoe. We've been talking about it a lot, and I felt like this video was necessary, with the message behind the video being a lot of people are gonna love or hate something, but when it comes to officially seeing it and being able to get it, those same naysayers are still gonna show up and try to get the item they were talking shit about. So just buy what you like. If you like something, buy it. If you don't like something, keep it moving. Don't hate on something you're still gonna end up buying. Like, it doesn't make any sense. From the jump, I thought this was a fire shoe, and it's gonna stay that way because I love the military blues. Double up secured, so I'm straight for years to come. People sleeping, bro. Let me know if this is a shoe that you're gonna beat to the ground. Are you actually interested in picking these up? Did you even try for them? Are you gonna sleep on them? Did you sleep on them? If you missed out on the release, is this one that you are gonna be going for? Resell wise, if you are gonna do that, make sure you wait until all the pairs come in. Resell's gonna dip a little bit more down. Realistically, it can't dip too much because the price is already pretty decent, bro. $250, $260 isn't bad. That's like $30 over retail. It might go down like $15 more, but long term, this will be one of those sneakers that goes up. People won't even see it coming. We've never seen them with Nike Air. Never been redone with the shape that the OG had. It's just a beautiful looking shoe. This video was pretty much a recap on the Jordan 4 military blues. I don't know if I'll be talking about these at all anymore. Low-key on to the next thing. Next week, we got the Shadow Jordan 1 lows, Space Jam 11s coming up, J Balvin's. This month is hitting different when it comes to sneaker releases. I'm gonna try to get as much as I can, but I'm also not trying to go broke. Military blues being right here. One last look for y'all. I think this sneaker is worthy of being on that top 10. There's no question about it. It's a beautiful shoe. Glad they brought it back. If you were hating and you ended up copping, at least have the balls to comment that that's what you did in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like on it down below. Y'all know exactly what to do. Get this to over 150 likes for more early sneaker content. Subscribe to the channel. We're on road to 30,000 subscribers. Y'all can help me get there faster. Fire ass giveaway coming when we hit 30K too. But all that being said, check out one of these 2 videos. That's what YouTube is recommending you to watch based on your previous history. They know what you want to see. You could low-key check out the review for these. I got a bunch of other fire content as well. Click one of those 2 videos and I'm gonna catch y'all there. Peace.